In this video, we are going to look into the profitability ratios. So this ratio helps us to find out the profitability of the business concern. So how far the business is being profitably functioning. Types of profitability ratios. So there is totally 5 types of profitability ratio. The first one is gross profit ratio. Secondly is the operating profit ratio. Third is the operating cost ratio. Fourth is the net profit ratio. And fifth is the return on investment. Now let's look into the gross profit ratio. So a gross profit ratio is the proportion between the gross profit earned by the business to its sales, that is revenue from operations. So the formula for gross profit ratio is gross profit ratio is equals to gross profit divided by revenue from operations into 100. So when there's an 100, all of these ratios are going to be shown in percentage. So we had various ways in showing the other ratios, that is in times or proportions, but a profitability ratio will be shown in percentage. So how shall we find out this gross profit from the sum? So we have other various sub ratios, sub formulas to find out the gross profit. So gross profit is equals to revenue from operation, that is sales, minus cost of revenue from operation. So to find out cost of revenue from operation, we have already seen another formula, that is opening stock, add purchase, add all the direct in expenses, minus closing stock. So that can also be used here if cost of revenue from operation is not given to you directly. So net profit ratio. So what is this net profit ratio? It is nothing but the percentage of net profit on the revenue from sales. So if you take a percentage on sales, then it is the net profit ratio. So the formula with which we can find out the net profit ratio is, the formula for net profit ratio is net profit after tax by revenue from operations into 100. As I told you, for gross profit itself, these profitability ratios are shown in percentage. So you have to multiply it with 100. So next, let's see how net profit after tax can be calculated. So net profit after tax can be calculated if the following items are there in the sum, that is gross profit, add indirect income, minus indirect expenses, minus tax. So if these items are present there in the sum, you can use this formula to find out the net profit after tax, to find out the net profit ratio. Or so the second formula to use net profit after tax is revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation minus operating expenses minus non-operating expenses plus non-operating income minus tax. So if you are wondering what is operating expenses, non-operating expenses, I will give you the items. But in sums, in the problems, they will give it to you directly. So you need not worry about that.